Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video we got a lot going on. We have some cleaning, of course, because this is a cleaning channel, but we also have some small decorations for Christmas. I didn't do anything crazy, but I wanted to share it with you guys. We will also be decluttering a little bit and organizing. So if you guys are ready for this jam-packed video and you need some motivation, definitely keep watching, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing on my to-do list this day was to tackle this horrendous mess behind my washer and dryer, specifically my dryer. I don't know how this happens. I think because the dryer vent doesn't hook up right to the dryer and then the lint just gets everywhere. I don't know. That's just my guess. And I assume they've probably never cleaned it because most people just forget about this spot. So it was pretty bad and I need to get back there and vacuum first, and then I went in with my Dawn power wash and wiped down like the walls and stuff, but I didn't get a ton of footage of that because it was just so hard to film in this spot because it's literally just like a little closet in my bathroom. But I tried my best to get some good angles for you guys.
That I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppress to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they saying, this is who I am. This is who I am now.
After I did this, like the next day, I ran a load in the washer and I came back after and noticed there was water all over the floor. So I wasn't sure what it was, and me being a first-time homeowner and being 23, I called my mom right away and I was like, "Mom, please come over. I don't know what's going on." So she came over and found out that there was a little hole in my wall, which I'll show you guys in just a second, where water was leaking out when I was running the rinse cycle on my washer. So yay for that. First time homeowner problems. We're gonna find a plumber to come out on Monday, so tomorrow if you're watching this video the day it comes out, and hopefully get that resolved without it costing me a ton of money. But yeah, not something I was super happy to discover.
This is who I am now.
Since my plan was to do some more laundry and I couldn't do that anymore because of the washing machine, I decided to move in the kitchen. I had to take the trash out, and I had some boxes that I needed to break down and put in the recycling bin.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
I also had some things that were like seasonal items that I needed to take out to my shed. In my shed is where I keep all of my like seasonal decor. So I had some summer decor and some winter decor boxes that I didn't need anymore. that I wanted to go put out there. So that's what I did. And then I got started on everybody's favorite chore, which is the dishes.
It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy. Cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be.
If you guys are curious what I'm cleaning or what I'm doing, I'm refilling and washing out my pet's water bowl. I like to do this every like 3 or 4 days to make sure they get nice fresh water. And then that is my dog bowl for his dog food, obviously, that I'm cleaning. And then the brown nasty one is my cat's bowl. She gets wet food every morning and a lot of it like sticks if she doesn't eat it right away, so I obviously have to clean that pretty often. But if you guys were curious, I don't think I've like updated you guys, but this new sink, this white double sink I got from Wayfair, as well as the gold faucet is from Wayfair, and I love them both. The only thing I don't like, which is kind of my fault, I didn't even look, is the gold faucet doesn't have the spray option, which I miss because I have that at my apartment. So I only have the, like, I can pull it down, but I can't use, like, change it to a sprayer, which sucks. But I mean, I guess that's my fault, and it's just something I'll have to deal with. And, you know, keep that in mind for hopefully in a few years if I get a new house. That's definitely something that I want.
A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
To clean my countertops, I like to use the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. It smells so good, and I think it works really well. So I just sprayed that and then wiped it off with a microfiber cloth and then put everything back on the counter. I'm not sure I like this setup 100%. I have that candy bowl with Halloween candy that I never passed out, so I leave it out for people if they want it. And then I have some pretty sad Christmas decor in the corner there, but you know, I'm just gonna stick with that for now. But we are going to move into some decluttering and organizing. So this is my medicine cabinet, and I kind of just threw everything in there when I moved in. So I finally decided to tackle it and organize it. So I obviously took everything out because that's how I like to declutter and organize. And then I went through everything, and if anything expired, which I had quite a few items expire, I threw those out or discarded of them. And then I sorted everything into like categories before I kind of played with the organization of how I wanted to put things and put everything back. So this is how everything turned out. I really am happy with it. On the top, I used some clear container store bins, and I put the like little box medicines on the top, and I like how it's clear so I can see everything. And then I put a little shelf to maximize the space, and I put the band-aids on the bottom one, and then on the side there it's just like my ibuprofen and stuff. And then on the bottom is just everything else, first aid, stomach medicine, all super accessible and easy to see. So I'm super happy with how that came out. And after I did that, I wanted to give the floors a really good clean.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing.
The last thing I wanted to clean before getting into a little bit of Christmas decorating is my cat's litter box. So I got some grocery bags that I just keep in my cabinet, and I cleaned out her litter box. I got this little white litter box thing from Wayfair, and I just keep it at the top of my stairs, and it's super accessible and my cat loves it. I wasn't sure if she was gonna take to it, but she really enjoys it, so that's good, and super easy to clean. So that was the last cleaning task, and now I'm gonna quickly show you guys a few things I got from Target for like gift wrapping and some decor, and then I will show you some of my Christmas decor.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making.
So I decided I wanted to redecorate my little Christmas entertainment center, TV stand, whatever you want to call it. I originally did a little bit of decor, but I wasn't happy with it. So I decided to play around with it and really take some time and figure out something that I would really enjoy for the next, couple of months, because I like to keep my Christmas decor up through like the new year. So I cleaned it off with my Wood for Good Clean from Method, and then I got to decorating and playing around with it. Most of my decor, as you guys saw, was from Target. I had a few things from Meijer that I had gotten, like these little plants, or the black ones from Meijer. The two white ones are from Amazon. I showed you guys that in my recent haul video, which I'll link right up here if you guys want to check that out. But I put up my stockings. I try to stick with like a gold and white theme for the most part, but I did add like some red and green. And I have these stockings from Five Below, which are super cute and go with my white and gold theme, and they have my initial as well as my two pets' initials, so I thought they were super cute. And then yeah, just wanted to play around with some stuff, and I'm really happy with how it came out.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is
Let me just say, guys, I love these wood wick candles. Not only do they smell amazing, but they sound like a fire burning, like cackling. Is that the word? I don't know. But I love them and they're amazing. And they were on a super good sale at Meijer this week. So I stocked up on a couple of them. But here's the final decor. I really hope you guys like it. And I hope this video gave you plenty of motivation to get your stuff done. Let me know what you guys are doing today. And I will talk to you next week for next week's video. Bye.